morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Today we learn about how teenagers promote Indonesian culture through social media. Before we start today's lesson, let me share our learning objective for today. Okay, here's our learning objective for today. By the end of today's lesson, students will able to identify and evaluate explicit and implicit information in an exposition text by confirming their prediction after reading and reflecting on the ideas presented in text. Now, I'd like to ask you a question. How many of you use TikToks or Instagrams almost every day? Wow, almost everyone, right? Now, tell me, what kind of videos usually appears on your For You page? Fashion,
Food,
dance,
comedy, travel.
question. Excellent! Have you ever watched video about Indonesian culture? For example, like batik, rendang, traditional dance, or beautiful tourist attraction?
Yes.
Great! So today we're going to learn how teenagers use social media to introduce Indonesian culture to the world. Alright, now I'd like you to work in your partner. Kusuma, Cynthia, and Adib, please work together. And Rehani, please work with Afi, okay? Each group will receive one culture card. Here, I have 2 cards. And please don't exchange your card with another group, okay? Okay. Now open your worksheet and complete the before reading section. Discuss these 3 questions. The first one is, what culture do you think is it? What do you think this culture is special? And how can social media can help promote this culture? And you have 2 minutes. Please begin. Yes, people were during special event.
People can also post videos on Instagram or TikTok.
This is from the
And they cooking videos on TikTok.
Let's look carefully. It is food, costume, or traditional clothes.
I think it's traditional clothes
Okay, excellent. Where do people usually wear it?
and ceremonies.
Okay, great. And Adidama, can you add one more ideas? How can social media help introduce batik to young people?
I think people can share short videos or stories about batik on social media.
Excellent ideas. Thank you, group 1. Excellent work. You finished already. Here's an extra challenge. Which social media platform is the best for promoting rendang and why?
Yes, TikTok, because cooking videos are popular.
Excellent explanation with you. 2. Okay. Now, let's read the text. It's about how teenagers use social media to promote Indonesian culture. While reading, please check whether your predictions are correct or not. And you have 3 minutes. You can read this text. Okay, now please continue work with the same partner. Complete this worksheet, and I will give you now. Complete part A and part B of your worksheet and use information from the text. You have 4 minutes. Start now. Can you find the paragraph that explains how social media helps preserve culture? Take another look at the paragraphs, okay? Yes. Excellent. Let's continue with the challenge yourself session. Write an attractive reaction or hashtag, okay?
Yes.
Okay, time is up everyone. Let's discuss together. What is the main ideas of the text? Who wants to answer? Okay, Cynthia.
Explain how teenagers use social media to promote Indonesian culture.
Excellent, Cynthia. Were your prediction correct?
Yes, some of them were.
Okay, now I'd like one representative from each group to share your answer. Group 1, please. Yes, Kusuma.
I will introduce Banti because it has a beautiful patterns and meaningful histories.
Okay, how about group 2? Who wants?
Yes.
Okay, Rihanin, please.
I would introduce Rendang because it is one of Indonesia's most famous traditional food.
Okay, wonderful. Every region in Indonesia has something unique, and we should be proud of our culture and help preserve it. Before we finish, I'd like you to think about one question. After today's lesson, what can you do to help preserve Indonesian culture through social media? Take a few seconds to think about it. Who wants to answer my question? Okay, Afi, please.
Attention videos about my local culture is
Okay, anyone? Rihanin, please.
I cannot put photos in this.
Who else? Okay, Kusuma.
I can tell people about the traditional foods.
Okay, excellent answer. Today we learned that social media is not only for entertainment. It can also help preserve and promote Indonesian culture. I hope you can become responsible digital citizens who are proud of Indonesian culture. And thank you for your active participation today. And see you for the next meeting.